Yes, guys. Now is the time to get busy in your garden, guys. Especially if you don't have to deal with the freezing ground. The wind is really striking today. When we dig like that, guys, we also blends in the leaf, the weeds, and the grass into the soil, which is very important. When you add the leaf, the grass into your soil, you're actually creating a drought tolerant garden. Meaning, if you don't get rain for a few weeks, your plant's still gonna strive because of the moisture. You're trying to create a soil like a sponge. So when the water wet it, it holds the water, which is very important. How we do that? By adding the leaf, the body of the tree, the trunk. That helps create that sponginess into our garden. All right, so just like that, guys, we also try to create package into our garden. The reason for the package is so when it's rain, the water gonna soak down into the earth instead of run off because we are on a slope. The rain gonna soak down into the earth. That's gonna help keep our soil moisture, because no rain, no water in this garden. No rain, no water. So we got to think of how we walk in our soil, how we preparing it. It's very important, guys. And remember, on this channel, we don't try to spend too much. We try to save as much as we can. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. And we're gonna continue do what we're doing. So over here now, we have an area where I think we should plant more scallion in this area, because we have rosemary, we have other kind of herbs here. So